We're here with Will from East to West RV. We're going to look at what Will says is the best bang for your buck in a Class C, the 2950 OK Entrada. You want to take it away?
Absolutely. So this is our only model that features an outside kitchen. We'll go check that out in just a second. This is an improvement from the 2900 last year. It's about 32 feet long, so this is as big as you can get on a gas E450 chassis. And it's just got, like I said, as much bang for your buck as you can get. U-shaped dinette, 10 cubic foot, 12 volt reefer, 12 volt TV, non-folding queen size bed back there in that bedroom.
Nice.
Yeah, a big spacious bathroom.
All right, let's check it out.
So one of the things we pride ourselves on at Entrada is we don't have a lot of options. The only options we offer on any model are going to be our swivel seats up front, which really just depend on the floor plan. If there's a booth there, we usually don't swivel, but
sure.
Driver or passenger independent. The solar package, which features a 200-watt solar panel on the roof, a 30-amp charge controller inside, which is more than you need for just that one panel. So you could very easily add a second, third, fourth panel depending on the size and how you set them up. And that's one of the easiest things you can do, by the way, is just quick connect plugs up there.
Yes.
And then that solar panel also includes a second house battery, Group 27 battery there in the step well.
Okay.
They're right there in the step well. And then our last option is going to be the hydraulic auto level, which this coach also has. So this one's fully loaded. Everything you can get. Everything else you see on an Entrada is standard. We focus on affordable quality. So 12 volt TV standard. This one features this cool magnet catch.
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
Pretty cool storage up there. Massive counter space. Convection microwave. My wife uses this thing to bake cookies and brownies. I do frozen pizzas and lasagna in that. It works like an electric oven at home.
That is awesome.
10 cubic foot, 12 volt reefer. If you guys don't know about 12 volt reefers yet, you're missing out. These things cool down faster. They use less power. You got way more room in there. 20 to 30% more space. There's no fins, no fans. You can run them legally and safely while you're driving down the road, anywhere you go.
Yes.
Bridges, tunnels, it doesn't matter. You're just running this thing. I know people that just run this in storage because they've got enough solar, so they never have to clean this thing out and worry about it being stinky or taking their condiments out or whatever like that.
That's awesome.
One of the really cool things that we do that you will not find on another Class C is 50 amp standard on this unit.
Oh,
at this size, 32 feet, you should have 2 air conditioners, which we do.
I agree.
And our competitors will too, but they'll be 30 amp, and they're going to power cycle or power manage between those two. You need to pick which air conditioner you want to run. This is true 50 amp, just like you guys might have on your fifth wheel.
Yeah, I didn't know that. That's awesome.
You won't find it on another Class C. As many big windows as we can get. All of our drawers are going to be soft close. Nice feature. We always do 2 big drawers there in the U-shaped dinette. Jackknife sofa up front. Like I said, a non-folding queen bed back there. And then some real cool options with your bathroom back here. So somebody can go in and use the toilet, have some privacy. Or you can close off the bedroom with this accordion door so that people staying up here can come in and use the bathroom without going into the bedroom. Or you can close off the bedroom and the bathroom, or you can close both and have a truly closed bathroom. So really some great options back. Lots of storage, his and hers hanging, nice big storage there, drawers.
A king or a queen?
It's a queen.
Standard.
Queen, yep.
Okay.
Yeah, that's really the standard for Class Cs. Like I said, this is the only model that has that. However, all of our models feature an LP quick connect on the back by the bumper. So you're going to have a griddle right there, your refrigerator, TV prep.
I can figure it out.
Keep going.
I'm a child. I can figure it out.
Pull it a little bit further. There we go.
Oh, okay. Locks.
Yep. Storage behind it. AC power, 12 volt USB ports, TV prep.
All right, so we have a generator on board. What size?
Well, like I mentioned earlier, we do 50 amp standard on our 3 biggest models, the 2900, 2950, and our 3100 bunkhouse. Okay. So they're all 32 footers. And again, at that size, you should have 2 ACs. So that's where we go to 50 amp standard. So we also bump up the generator to a 5500 watt. Oh, we're using a Forest River exclusive NPS generator, which is powered by a Yamaha motor. Sure. As you may know, Yamaha and Honda, I mean, they're the 2 biggest small engine makers in the world. Sure. So super reliable. It also has a couple of cool features on that NPS generator. First of all, there's 4 ways to start it. Just like sort of the industry standard, there's come in, zone in out there. You can start it inside with the electric switch. You can start it on the generator with the electric switch. Those 2 are standard. This also comes with a key fob. You can remote start like a car, which is probably my favorite way to start it. And then the 4th one is, Class Cs are a lot of times people's first motorhome, maybe even their first RV. They don't remember how to use all the things. Maybe they left the lights on and they killed their batteries. They come back, they need power. They don't have power to start their generator. This features an emergency pull start, just like a lawnmower. Grab that cord, give it a yank, and you're back in business.
How smart. That's awesome.
Very cool.
Okay, so as far as fresh, gray, and black, what are the size of the tanks here?
Yeah, absolutely. Let me start with the gas tank because it's a motorhome. So that generator runs right off of the main gas tank. It's a 55-gallon tank.
Okay.
So you only have 1 thing to fill. It's not like 1 for the engine, 1 for the generator. It's got the fuel line for that is at the quarter tank level. So if your generator shuts off all of a sudden because you're at the quarter tank, it means it's time to go get gas. But that way you're not out in the woods and your generator burns all your gas and you can't drive anywhere, right?
That's right. That makes sense.
So 55 gallons for the fuel. The fresh water is going to be 35 gallons, and then the black and the gray are both going to be 32 gallons. The storage compartments are pretty cool.
Oh, that's a different kind of material.
Yeah, it's a rotocast plastic. Are they going to find me? They're going to go to easttowestrv.com, and they'll see the 5th wheels like you guys know about, our travel trailers, and obviously our motorhomes.
Thanks, Will.
Thank you.